Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can clear all Facebook data in your Facebook apps. So we know that we are facing a hanging or lag problem in our phone. So if you clear all data from Facebook, then you don't have any trouble. Okay, so you know that Facebook apps takes a lot of data from your storage. So how can you clear all data from Facebook apps? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So here you can see the Facebook app. I will show you two process. So how can you delete this clear data? Okay, so Facebook, long press on Facebook icon, then after getting this pop-up interface, here you can see the three option. Okay, app info, remove and uninstall. So click app info, and when you click uninfo, then you are getting this type of interface. So you need to go storage uses. So here you can see that app size 159 MB, but your data took 127 MB, in total 288 MB. So this is the on process, and you can find this option from settings. Go to settings, and here you can see the additional settings. Click on this, and here you can see the option storage. Click on this, and then you have to go little bit, then go to apps, and here you can see the option Facebook. Click on Facebook, and this is the same interface. Okay, so just clear data. Okay, then your Facebook app clear data will be deleted, and now you can see that 159 MB. But here is a point that you have to log in again. Okay, so when you feel that your Facebook account maybe a lot of storage, it needs a lot of storage, then you can clear all data, then you can log in again, then there is no problem in lagging in your phone. Okay, or hanging in your phone. Okay friend, today is no more, and please subscribe to this channel and have a nice day.